What to do if the burners won't light or have a weak flame? Start by removing the burner and checking that both the burner and the plate are properly cleaned. Once this is done, access the burner nozzles. For optimal cleaning, they should be disassembled and cleaned externally with appropriate tools. For a DIY solution, you can use a standard copper wire and select the most suitable size for the burner hole. I don't recommend using a standard needle or toothpick, as it can easily break inside the hole, and in that case, the entire nozzle would need to be replaced. Simply center the hole with the copper wire and move it up and down in a circular motion. It's recommended to do this on all burners in your kitchen. Proper maintenance and cleaning of your stove will allow for more efficient cooking and, consequently, prevent gas waste.